Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video find everyone doing well and in good spirits. Okay guys, let me get on into the video as to what I will be sharing with you guys this morning. It is a subscriber request, and it's that refreshing southern sweet tea. Okay guys, that's what it's gonna be. It should be a little easy recipe, and it's gonna be simple for the ones that really don't know how to make it, and the ones that I've been had this a lot of you guys asked me to show how I make my sweet tea for my weekly meals. So this is gonna be it, guys. So let me tell you the ingredients. Is the simple ingredients that you're gonna need, and I will talk to you more as I go through this process, this simple process. You're gonna need 4 tea bags of your choice. Right, I'll be doing the Louisiana, and I also use Lipton tea with my tongue getting tired. The decaffeinated tea. I have to have decaffeinated tea, but I'm not gonna say I don't drink regular sweet tea, but I don't do it as a regular. And then I got 3 bags over there, and because I will be making a gallon of sweet tea, and behind that I have like a gallon jug. You can use whatever container or decanter or whatever you want to mix it in. You can use it, but the instruction I'll be giving you will be for a gallon size. And if you make it more and all that, all you have to do is increase ingredients accordingly. And then guys, behind there I have maybe that's probably about a 3-quart saucepan with the top with the lid on it. You're gonna need something to cover it because the tea is gonna have to steep. And then next to that I got 2 cups of white granulated sugar, but you will be sweetening. That's what I'll start out with, but you will always sweeten your tea to your taste. That's something I can't tell you how much sugar to use, but I know I start off with 2 cups of sugar. If I need more, I put more, so I can't be exact about that. And okay guys, and right in front of that sugar, I got a 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Yes guys, when I was first taught to make sweet tea, first of all, we had the loose tea. My mama had the loose tea. She used to put in this little bitty little tea. We used to call it the tea holder. It's probably a technical name for it, but who cares? But I wish I have one, but I got it packed up in some things that I can't, I don't know what's at. I would have got it out to show you, but we used to use loose tea. And but then, they came, the tea bags came about, and they could have been, the tea bags could have been out then, but that was not what I was taught. That was not the way that I was taught to make the tea. And what did I don't forget what I was saying. Okay, so anyway, that I will be doing the tea bags, and I got 3 bags of tea for this, and I'm going to put approximately 4 or 5, about 4 cups of water in that there saucepan that you see over there. And when I come back, I'll be over at the stove with the water boiling, and I'll take you through that step, and then we will go on from there. Okay guys, I'll meet you back over at the stove. Okay guys, I got the water boiling, full of oil. And I'm getting ready to put the tea bags in. The tea bags, can you see the tea bags? Mm-hmm. Tea bags come enclosed, and you just have to kind of break it loose. And I always take them and just kind of drop them in the water till they get a little wet. And then I take it and just wrap it around. Well, just hang it over the side. And I normally just wrap it around the pot. This is not the pot that I normally use for this. Then I put all 3 of them in there the same way in that boiling water. But you said it like flesh. What's the matter with it? Are you doing it? Just wrap that handle around there so you still have, you can get them out. And then I just kind of push them down a little bit. And that, guys. And you need to turn your heat off. Turn your heat off, and you're getting ready for it to steep. Now, guys, when you put this little baking soda in here, because of the carbonation of it, it's gonna fizz up. So that's where you don't put your pot all the way filled with the water. Well, I don't. You know. So you think you can put it over here? Let me show them how that's gonna fizz. You'll be in that pot.
Hold on.
Cause sometimes it'll fizz up just as, you know, fizz up pretty high, according to how much you're gonna be putting in. Guys, did they see that? Okay. Then I just kind of stir it a little bit, guys. And like I say, your stove is off. And there's the lid to that over there too.
It's on the stove right there.
That light got me blinded. Then you put your lid on, and then I put my timer on. But it's according to how strong you like your tea, how long you let it steep. Yeah, steep. That's the right word. Clara, get them there S's in your tied up tongue mixed right. But I do mine about 4 minutes. I let it steep. And I'm not going to hold you on for that 4 minutes. When that 4 minutes is up, I'm going to come back and show you the next step to it, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, the timer done went off. It's been 4 minutes. And I've been letting the tea seep with the bags in there. And now I'm going to get ready to take the bags out. I'm going to show you the thing that I normally do with these bags. Now, guys, if I didn't say it earlier, there go that telephone, never fail telephone. I bet it's my son, too. Oh, this is my daughter. Oh, y'all, cut for a minute, Gary. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that, but you mothers know when your children call, everything have to wait. Okay, I have taken the tea bags out. You know, it's been steeping 4 minutes. I'm going to put the tea bags. I got the tea bags over here. And I always take me a spoon and just kind of mash some of the tea that's in the bag. Try to mash that out with the back of the spoon without busting the bag. Now my mama, she would probably add a whole amount of the amount of water that's in that pot to scratch it, because sometimes well, I put just a little, you know, I put just a little more water on it. I'm just pressing it out. I'm just doing it like this, but normally I would leave the tea bags. Once I do this with the sugar, I would do that. Okay, now it's time to add the sugar. Just go ahead on and add that 2 cups of sugar in that hot tea, and just stir it till the sugar dissolves completely. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, now the sugar's about dissolved, I am going to go over and show you the next step. It's not going to take the sugar long to dissolve into hot tea. Oh, I hate them using that. But this is a spoon that I normally use for that. And thank you, Pat, for my beautiful spoon rest. That's one of the family members sent me. I just thought about it when I got ready to put this spoon back over. She sent me this beautiful spoon rest. Can you see it, too?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Pat. I hadn't seen you lately over in the comments, so I'm gonna have to drop you an email, my sweet sister, because normally I see you. I hope everything is well with you. If not, I pray so. But because I know everybody's busy at times like this, and you may not have time to be watching videos and stuff. So, guys, I got some water here. May have to get some more. But I'm gonna move over to the other side of the room, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do next to finish up this sweet tea. Is you cutting off, or you just want me to move on to?
Go ahead.
Okay. Alrighty. What is my spoon? Maybe that last time it's stirred. I got me a cloth down, guys, just in case I spill, because this, like I say, this is not the saucepan. It's a little smaller that I usually do it. And you just pour this tea over into the whatever container that you are going to make your sweet tea up in. As simple as that. And then go in with your water. Guys, I use the water out of my refrigerator because it's filtered. And I just gather me up some and use it. Okay. And guys, that's it. That's all to making you some refreshing sweet tea. You can't beat it. And you use any brands of tea that you prefer, that you like. If you got a particular tea that you have, but like I say, we grew up with the my mama liked the Lipton and the what was that, Louisiana, and that was the kinds that she normally, and then Tetley. She used to use tea. So what I do, since they all about taste the same, they all good to me, I'll just get whatever's on sale. When they have them on sale, that's the way I get it. So guys, there's nothing else that I can tell you about that. You put your lid on and put it in the refrigerator and get it cold. You can, and now if you was making sun tea, if you want me to show you how I do my sun tea, it's real simple. I'll show you. I was intending to do this anyway, since I had a few requests for the sweet tea. And then I also make lemonade tea. I can show you a video if you want to show me. I mean, it's very simple. But I also, like I said, I make the lemonade tea. And what else, Gary? Strawberry? The strawberries, strawberry tea. And the only time I really make the strawberry tea is yeah, mostly lemonade. But when I have strawberry and don't be eating them all, I used to take them and just make some sweet tea with it. So okay, guys, that's all I can tell you about the sweet tea. Gonna get a thumbnail of it, but let me see. Let me get a glass just in case some of you want to see how it look once I pour it up on some ice. Because normally I'll be pouring it into another pitcher, and I may pour it into another pitcher to get the thumbnail. Yeah, get me a glass tuck. Hold on just a minute, guys. I'll tell you what, Tuck, we'll come right back with the glass of iced tea. We'll come right back with it. Okay, because I'm going to put some ice and everything on it. Okay, guys, let me get some ice and all that and put on it, because I don't want to make this video long. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and this is the tea in the glass, and I'm glad I decided to show it to you guys in the glass, because I forgot to tell you when I put that sugar in there. I mean, when I put that water in there, once you put that water in there and stir it real good, that's when you go in and test and see, do you need any more sugar. That would be the time that you get your sweetness at the sweetness that you want it, the level that you want it. Simply because once your tea get cold, you can't sweeten cold tea. So you can sweeten it, but I never did it. But it seemed like it would take a ton of sugar. So you make sure you get your sweetness where you want it while this here tea is warm. Go in and add more sugar if needed. I just forgot to tell you guys that. But that's an important step to me. Because now with me, like when I go to a restaurant and I order sweet tea, I don't try to sweeten it. If it's not to my sweetness, I always use a sweetener. A sweetener, you can get it sweet, but with a regular sugar, it's not going to dissolve like it's supposed to in that cold tea. So guys, this is the finished product of the sweet tea. The ice is melting down because it's still warm. So I'm going to go ahead on and end this video. And you guys drop me a comment as to whether or not you want me to show you guys how I make my lemonade sweet tea. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And guys, leave me a thumbs up to support my videos. That's something that, you know, the YouTubers need. We need them thumbs up as to how they share out our videos. So leave me a thumbs up. Like I said, don't cost you nothing. And leave me a comment if you want me to do a video showing you how to do the lemonade sweet tea. It's no problem. I'll do it. You know, we're a family here, and we do stuff to help our family members over here on our channel, on my channel, Maymay's at the Table. And don't forget to the ones who haven't already went over to support my baby girl, Britt Symone. Go over and check her. She just put up a video on her birthday weekend, which her birthday was August the 2nd. But you know, Brittany works and all that, and she can't get her videos up like I get mine up. Like I get mine up in some kind of speedy way. Not so. Even though I've been blessed with better, what is that, internet and Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff. But still, I use a camera. Maybe if I did use one of those iPhone, and there's no sense in me getting an iPhone because I know I wouldn't know how to use that. So anyway, guys, yeah, just leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and go over and check out Britt Symone channel. And remember what I always told you guys: use your common sense, think positive, and they may love you guys. Bye.
Bye, you guys.